Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a brokerage account and you would like to trade some stock and you do not have one, Robinhood does have a promotion going on. If you use that link in the comments and description section of this video to sign up for Robinhood, you can get some free stock. So this is actually the link I'm showing on the screen right now. So if that sounds like something that interests you to sign up and get some free stock, head to that link, check it out, create an account, and receive your free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker MCOM or MicroMobility. So I've never looked at this stock before. I saw it was trending, so I pulled up the chart, and I will say this is absolutely brutal. This is just the sign of a stock and a company that is really struggling. At the start of the chart, I see a reverse split. It looks like a 1 for 50, and this thing was up around the $4.50 mark at the beginning of the daily here. So the returns on this thing have been absolutely pathetic. And this earnings loss here, if this is correct, this is a massive loss on EPS. So just a quick glance here tells me that this company is in a lot of trouble here, and they're having a lot of trouble financially. They are on NASDAQ, so that's why they're doing reverse splits here, trying to stay on the major exchange, and they're bleeding a ton of money. So I came into Yahoo Finance, just kind of taking a look at some of their financials here, and they are really bad. Operating margin last 12 months, negative 394%. Return on assets, negative 152% the last 12 months. That is brutal. They have $15.28 million in revenue the last 12 months. Their revenue growth is down if we look on a quarterly basis year over year. And the diluted EPS is brutal, losing $5.77 a share the last 12 months. Their balance sheet is really rough as well. Total cash at $512,000. Current ratio is really bad at 0.09, and they have a negative book value. The cash flow statement is pretty brutal as well. Last 12 months from operations, they lost $41.7 million, and their levered free cash flow the last 12 months is $12.35 million. So I just kind of looked at this and I was like, oh, I bet they did an offering or something because they're about to go bankrupt if they don't. So I came into Edgar, and yeah, what do you know? Just recently did an offering here of 22.3 million shares. So let's come back in here to Yahoo Finance. And it says they have 247 million outstanding, so bump that up. If that doesn't include this 22.3, bump that up a little bit there. So the percentage of the float that is shorted is 7.41%, so that is a pretty decent amount of the float being shorted there. But yeah, just kind of looking through their financials, looking at their chart, this looks like a good short opportunity because they are on NASDAQ, and you do see that they want to stay on NASDAQ. So they're doing reverse splits. I mean, this is just the typical story of a company that is hemorrhaging a ton of money, and they're just not making any money. They're not making any profit. So they're reverse splitting. They're diluting their shareholders into oblivion. And, I would look forward to another reverse split on this, no doubt, whenever that does happen, because I think the bears are going to crush it and smash it into the ground because their financials are just terrible. So yeah, just want to provide an overview here on MCOM or MicroMobility and kind of let you know what I think about this stock and this company. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.